What is going on, guys? Welcome to another crypto video. I am here to supercharge your crypto needs, and recently I've showed you guys how to make money in crypto with money. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make money in crypto without money. And if that doesn't sound exciting for you guys, I don't know what does, because you can literally start making money without needing any money to put in. All you need is some time and some patience, and you guys should be on your way. So what exactly are we talking about this? We are talking about airdrops. Now, the great thing about airdrops is that there's multiple ways to get into an airdrop token. The ones I'm going to show you right now will allow you to earn the airdrop without you putting any money in. So I'm going to get started with one that I'm personally invested in, and you guys seen me talk to this in the channel that I recommend this one that I believe it's going to do very, very well coming very soon. Let me get rid of all my scratch right there. So right now this is in a downtrend, which is perfectly fine. It's going to correct itself, and then we should see like a really massive correction in just a little bit. If you saw my prior video, I kind of called the line where this was going to end up. So you guys should know where you guys should be buying in and exiting. If you haven't seen that, I highly recommend you guys check it out. But the great thing about this is you really don't have to put money in here to be able to be part of the project. You could actually go and download this app right here called Banter Bubbles, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. And the way this works is you just click here where it says sign in to earn. And when you sign in to earn, it's going to have you register. It's going to have you, collect points. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to collect points. And as you're collecting points, you are then going to be able to use the points you collect to go into this token. So it will automatically get airdropped to your Phantom wallet. And then once it gets airdropped into your Phantom wallet, you are then going to have points within the gummy. Now, the great thing about this one that I love about this particular token is that not only is it backed up by really good people who are also in the YouTube space, but you're going to be able to stake these tokens. I'll talk a little bit about more staking a little bit later along the channel. So if you guys want me to talk more about staking and how that could actually earn you money, hit that like button. If we get over 50 likes, we'll definitely put that video out for you guys. But with that being said, not only are you able to earn the token for free, but you're also able to stake it, which is not only going to allow you to make money right now that you get into the token, but also if you keep the token, which makes it really, really good and something I always like. You guys, earning that passive income, right? The next one we're going to be talking about, guys, is one called Overtrip. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a longer play because this game is being developed. It's a very interesting game. If you haven't heard about this game, they have a really good idea, kind of really good roadmap. And basically what this is, it's pretty much a shooter game. And the great thing is that in this game, you will be able to earn tokens and participate with these tokens as you're playing the game. So they have a really nice little roadmap. We got a bunch of art. Now, in order to get these tokens, it's actually not that very difficult. And as you guys see, they've done a phenomenal job when it comes to the artwork, when it comes to the whole concept of the game. It does give you that kind of Fortnite vibe feel to it. And they also have a preview video here. I'll play it I'm just going to turn off the audio here in case of copyright. But we can watch a nice little preview video of the work they put into this particular token to be able to make it really awesome and really popular. So as you guys hear, it has that Fortnite feel to it, and the great thing about that is you're able to use tokens within this game when it comes out to be able to have some fun with it. So that is this one called Overtrip, and the great thing about this one is that it is going to be really good. So in order for you guys to earn tokens on this one, it's really simple stuff like having an X account, following them on your X account, referring a friend, having a referral link. Really easy to do, and you'll automatically have tokens into your wallet without you doing very much things. And there's leaderboards and all that stuff that you're able to rack up as you play the game. So another really easy one to collect one. The next one, guys, is more of a kind of utility based one, and this is called Cookie. Now, the great thing I like about this particular project is the fact that this one you're able to earn points based on engagement and posts. So the cool thing about it is you're actually able to create your cookie. All right, so how do you collect these points? Let's go to the quest and talk a little bit about that. So in order for you guys to get cookies here, super duper easy. You're going to want to collect it and connect your wallet, and then you're going to have certain requirements to make your own cookie. As you're collecting points, the cookie's being made, and you're able to bake a cookie until it looks really, really dope, and you're able to do that. So pretty much what it works is you're able to claim certain amount of tokens by doing simple projects. For example, claiming your token, doing a referral, following them on Twitter, following them on X, posting about that you're part of the community on X, and it gives you different missions that you're able to do. So you're able to apply for a Pulsar ideal. You're able to go and do a campaign you're able to go ahead and complete the meat cookie. You're able to complete the quest on campaign. So it gives you different campaigns. So you can keep earning tokens as you go here. And this will allow you to create your mascot. And then once your mascot is created, you're going to be earning more cookie points. Which, once again, the really cool thing about this is that as long as you put in the work, you'll have these tokens. And when this launches, you should be in a very good position. Now, I'm not going to say here you're going to make millions and millions of dollars, but at least you'll make some money to be able to use that money to invest in some mem coins or kind of diversify your portfolio here. But what better way of making money without spending money, right? So the next one we have is called Parm. There's another really good one that it's very well. And the great thing about this one is you're able to stake it as well, which is something I really like because in addition to you getting the tokens, you can keep earning by staking them, which is really awesome. Now this one right here, guys, super easy task. You pretty much have to like a post, retweet the post, comment on the post, follow, and then just pretty much keep going down the line here. Follow. You follow more people. You join their Discord. You make a Twitter. So all this stuff you can do are all these points you're able to accumulate, and all of these will be considered part of airdrops that are going to go into your wallet. So this is really good. This token has a lot of really good utility to it too as well. So that is one of the great factors about this particular token, that not only does it have a utility aspect to it, but you're actually able to earn the token right now without you having to spend money, which makes it really cool. And as you hear, guys, earning points is the main concept that we want to do. So this is called Parm. Really excited for this one and really good to collect. Next one we have is Bubbles. So this one right here, another one really good one. This is you're able to connect with your X account. And the thing I like about Bubble is the artwork. The artwork looks really, really good. You can own your own imagery, and that imagery could become an NFT, which is amazing. You know, as you guys know, NFTs are in play this coming season. How far they'll go, I don't know. But we are going to be seeing kind of a little bit of upward trend when it comes to NFTs. And this one allows you to get into the bubbles. Now, the great thing about here, as you guys see here, there are different stages that are happening. So first and foremost, you're going to get your bubble. You then are going to form your bubble squad. And from then, you're going to be able to farm the bubble, right? So then we have a number 4 coming. And the cool thing about this is that you're able to participate in community events. And as you're participating in community events, you're going to be able to redeem the bubbles to be able to get access to an imagery pass. And then, as you guys see here, they do have a little game here that you're able to do to collect these bubbles as well. So really excited for this project, and this is a Web3 project. A lot of really good companies are involved in this one. So do we expect this one to do really, really well? The last one I have for you guys is this one called Playground. And this is, once again, another really awesome one. And the great thing about this one, it's super easy to earn rewards. You're going to be able to notice that here, if you go to Playground and you go into this section, you're going to be able to bring, pretty much it tells you what it does. It's going to bring crypto upside to the mainstream players and self-onboarding for Web3 gaming. This is pretty much a platform that's going to allow you to have games within the platform that are going to be part of the crypto sphere. So really, really good one to definitely keep an eye on. The great thing about this one, super easy to get the tokens to be airdropped to you. All you got to do is follow the the socials, follow the X, get their Discord, and get to do the demo reels and all that stuff, and you will be able to get the playground here. All you got to do is connect your wallet, and once your wallet's connected, you'll be able to start getting these points to be able to start collecting the airdrops, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to leave a link to all of these in the description down below so you guys can get on these and start doing the tasks that you need to do, get those airdrops ready to go whenever pretty much the token gets launched. And when the token gets launched, you can make some good money. Now, for example, this Banter Bubble one, I got on this early for the phase 1, and I could give you kind of rough estimate. I got like 3 million tokens. I held those tokens. They made roughly like about, a good $100. So, it's $100 you don't have or I didn't have. So earning free money is always a plus in my book. So make sure you guys start farming these as much as you can. I would definitely recommend you start doing the Banter Bubble one. That one's definitely going to get a nice upward trend in a little bit here. So the more tokens you're able to get, the better. But once again, we'll leave the links down below in the description. And I hope you guys start farming and start making some free money. And don't forget to keep it locked here for more crypto news, information, and beginner guides to supercharge your crypto needs. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.